So it's that time of the year again. Time for a deep clean. Time to remove imperfections like that don't come off when it's washed. And also, as you can see, the bonnet is actually wet. Yeah, and there's no beading at all because there's no wax. All the gloss protection, everything's been washed off. So yeah, so it's that time of year to give it a good polish. Polish and gloss protection. Absolutely minging. I've got that round the whole vehicle. Right, so basically what I'm doing is pre-wash, get all the algae, all that green crap, all that around the edges and the gaps. Got a toothbrush as well down there that I've been using. And then a bucket of soapy clean water. Wash it down, which is what I've just done now. Washed it all down. And then the next stage, I'm going to clay bar it, but with one of these ones. So I will give a quick demonstration. Yeah, so you can see that mark there. And you know it's clean because you can feel it all goes smooth all of a sudden. I mean, here, listen to this here. And then we'll go over to here. Actually, yes. It's just so gritty. But then come back to here. It's nice and quiet. So that's how I use this clay bar thing. I really like it. I know Matt's got one and he's not too keen on it. But then that's because when we got these, we got clay bar products. And those clay bar products I didn't think were very good. You know, the lubricant that you spray on. The only good thing about them was that they smelt nice. But they didn't really seem to lubricate that well. So with the soapy water, it just takes off all that grime. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and do the whole van like this. I've already cleaned out all the scuttle, all around the front window, done the roof as well. And then I'm just going to do panel by panel, just, you know, like this. Then I'm going to snow foam it, rinse it all down. Well, I'll come back to you when we're at a better stage, because this is just going to be long, just doing this. What an absolute nightmare. The heavens have opened. I've just gone ahead, I've cleaned the van, gone over everything, all ran through the windows, got rid of all of that moss and all that green, horrible stuff. Cleaned the van, first time. Gave the van another clean. Then I went around it with the clay bar, that weird cloth that I showed you. And then literally as soon as I'd finished doing that, it started raining. So I was like, well, if it's raining, I can't really do any polishing or anything now. So I'm just going to clean the wheels up. And I'm going to have to wait until the rain stops, because I'm a little bit pissed off because I wasn't expecting any rain. There was nothing on the forecast, and now it's saying it's going to rain for the next 2 days. So I can't really get a lot done at all. So I'm just going to finish off here, clean those wheels up, and then pack up, and then we'll have to come out another day, and then we'll go over with the high gloss resin, I think it is, some polish, and then the extra gloss protection. Oh well, I'll see you in a few days when we get to polishing it. Although I say that, in a few days I'm going to have to wash it again before I polish it anyway. I've got to do this whole process again. Although the van does look sick like that, doesn't it? Like a G. Well, this weather is proper mugging me off, isn't it? But I have gone ahead and cleaned everything. All the wheels nice and clean. All the doors shuts. Everything's clean. Done the tailgate. Everything's clean. What we need now is for it to be dry so I can wax and polish. Right, we're out here, day 2. It was forecast rain today. It is a little bit cloudy. But that's not a problem. So I'm just going to crack on with the roof. You can't really see, but there's loads of dirt lines on the windscreen where all the dirt off the roof's come down. I did go around yesterday and clean it panel by panel, first stage, second stage, all the rest of it. And then, yeah, went round with the clay bar, done all the van apart from the roof. So I'm going to snow foam the roof, clay bar the roof, then snow foam the roof again, clean it all up, go round, snow foam the van, clean everything up, and then hopefully get down to some polishing. Yeah, joys. Well, it's about 3:30, so I've been out here, what, 6 hours or so. Got all the outside done with the cleaning, polishing. All the windows are all clean. Everything just on the outside, all the windows are clean. And now the next step, gloss protection. Now it's all been waxed. Oh, look, there's a few bits there that I didn't clean off properly. I'll go around with the cloth first, make sure everything, all the old polish is off. Then we can gloss protection. Looking good. Shiny. There it is, it's all done, all clean. Washed, clay bar, polish, and extra gloss protection. All autoglym products. However, I'm still yet to do all the inside. I mean, it is tidy in here. Obviously, window tint stuff. But apart from that, it's I have tidied it inside, but I still want to go around and use the interior shampoo, clean all of these bits up. Got all the roof lining to clean. I would say I'll be doing that tomorrow, but tomorrow I am working for Trim Porters. So yeah, so I'll be working for Trim Porters tomorrow, Trim Porters Van Conversions. So tomorrow we're just carrying on with the charity build for Street Reach. So it's a high top Ford Transit. But if you want to see that build, I would suggest you go follow Trim Porters Van Conversions. Yeah, I like this van. It's good, doesn't it? Nice and clean. Yeah, that's the first time I've ever actually given it a full polish, a proper polish. Yeah, it's nice and shiny. Oh, that's me head on the garage door. That looked really good. Yeah, I used the fast glass on all the lights, fast glass on the windows, mirrors. But again, yeah, I've only done the exterior for now. And then we'll give it a couple of days and we'll crack on with the interior. Well, I'm going to leave it here. And until next time, I'll see you all soon. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.